So let's go over the differences of a recursive formula and explicit formula. The very first thing you should know is a recursive formula, it always goes in order. So what do I mean by that is a recursive formula always comes in two rows, and the first row tells you this thing in the parentheses is always your term number. So what number are you always talking about? The first one. So that means that in my first term, the first number in my sequence is going to be 20, right? And you want to find the fourth one. So we want to get all the way to number 4, the fourth number in the sequence. This is the one we're trying to find. Now with recursive, you need to go in order to find it. And the second row, what does it tell you? This number over here is basically called the common difference. And this tells you what are you going to do to that number over and over. In this case, what are we doing? We're adding a 5. So term number 2, if we had a 20 and we're adding a 5, the term number 2 is going to be a 25. Term number 3 is going to be a 30. And finally, the term we're looking for, number 4, it's going to be 35. And that's how we find the term we were looking for, because it's the fourth term. Now with explicit formulas, it's a lot easier. An explicit formula is only one row, and my term number is actually just whatever term you want to find, that's what you're going to plug in. So again, my term number goes there. So we're simply going to replace the n with the number 8. So all you do is plug it in. That's how easy it is. So it's 8 minus 6, parentheses, my n in this case now is an 8, minus 1. So let's do PEMDAS, parentheses first. So let's write everything down. What's 8 minus 1, guys? That's a 7. Put it in purple. And what's more important, subtraction or multiplication? Multiplication. So what's 8 minus, what's 6 times 7? That's 42. And my answer would be, what's 8 minus 42? Isn't that 34? Negative 34. 8 minus 42. And that's basically it. Recursive, again, you go in order to get to the term number you want. Explicit, all you do is plug it in.